Hello. Today I want to briefly go over cell membrane and signaling diagrams. Now there's a little bit here about cell membranes and kind of the characteristics of cell membranes. We've already discussed them, so we already know the basics of cell membranes and what can be found in the cell membrane, like what are the parts of the cell membrane. We've got an unlabeled diagram here. And what I want you to do, since this should be building on our knowledge, is to read each one of these and then draw what it's telling us to draw. So the first part, draw and label, draw a selectively permeable cell membrane. So if I'm going to draw the cell membrane, there's a couple things besides just the cell membrane that I'm going to need. I'm going to need to know where the inside of the cell is, where the outside of the cell is. So these are things that would be labeled. And I need to know somehow, you have to show me that it's selectively permeable. So this tells you what selectively permeable means, but there should be some indication that once you've drawn this, I can see it's selectively permeable, only some things going in and some things not. Same thing with these other drawings here. Draw an intracellular receptor and cell membrane. So I'm going to need a cell membrane, intracellular receptor. I'm going to also still need to know where the inside and the outside of the cell are. And then at some point, we need to show a ligand in here and how it interacts with the intracellular receptor. So there's multiple parts to each one of these, and you're labeling each of those parts. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you very much.